Okay, so the seventh and final part of L.F.6, Sunset on Freedom. The old and grumbling engines cough into motion as they very slowly lift the mature ship into the heavens, freeing itself as it goes of its root and bark bonds. Not knowing how to pilot the archaic controls, Danes and LeChops prefer to plummet to the ground and their certain deaths, rather than be held captive in another floating prison. There's still some of them up there, you know. Okay, everybody with firearms, get ready to target the engines on that ship. Damn, my gun's been confiscated. A couple of lucky shots later, and the Dane storage hauler ignites the sky yellow. Raining chunks of metal and plastic down on the heads below, some of which take out a few stray members of the Dane, LeChop and Af races. Everyone alright? Sadie, your father's worried sick about you. The perks of being the General's daughter. I'm glad we were in the same cell as her, as otherwise we might not have been saved. Was anyone concerned about me? Everyone's always concerned about you, Roos. Let's get back to the ship and then HQ. Another day out with you, Leah, did not disappoint. I think I might apply for PA.w membership. How'd you go about it? It's, very complicated. You have to do this and then that. It's hard to explain. That's okay. You've got the rest of the journey back to tell me. I think that's the Danes finally taken care of. I doubt we'll be seeing much more of them in the near future. I won't be so sure, Rover. Remember, there were 3 turrets shot off from HQ. We only know the destination of 2 of them. There's still a 3rd one out there somewhere, either spinning through space or safely landed, with the Danes planning our downfall once again. The others are right. You're no fun to be around. With these prophetic words spoken, the 3rd and final turret continues its journey through space, its destination and safe landing known only to the gods. The end. Okay, so that was the end of L.F.6, Sunset on Freedom. L.F.7 through 11 are already on YouTube. I started with those first, because they were a self-contained story arc. Just seemed like a good place to start. So you can check those out. I'm not doing L.F. 1 and 2. I've had a look at them and they don't hold up well compared to these others. So I won't be doing those. Instead, there's a spin-off from this called To the Bidder Goes the Moon. There's 8 of those. I'll be moving on to those next. So, see you all on those ones.